First Alert Weather is brought to you by the Medical Center.
Rain is coming. Let's hope it's not too much, but will it be enough? That is the big question, because we are getting behind as far as year to date where we should be pacing as far as rainfall this time of the year. And we're starting to get into that time of the year, July, August, typically when we're the driest because of the summer months here in the Mid-South region. But radar is showing some signs of promise. We're beginning to see a little bit more in the way of shower and thunderstorm activity, especially back to the west of us. But within the last 30 minutes, we've been watching a couple of little isolated showers popping up there and lifting northward out of the Cumberland Plateau, Middle Tennessee. That's Clay County, Tennessee. And then you see Monroe County, Kentucky there. So maybe about Gamaliel, you're starting to see some shower activity. But it is actually back further to the west of us where we're seeing more significant activity. In fact, radar showing a big area of heavy rain now moving through southern Illinois. It is lifting off to the northeast, but we do anticipate more development out east of this area where we could see some heavy rainfall, even some strong thunderstorms later this afternoon. As far as temperatures over the next couple of days, we're going to find, even though we're starting muggy, in the 70s here for the most part this morning across south central Kentucky. It looks like temperatures may be down a bit because of the chance that we're going to see that rainfall bringing in some clouds and showers. 88 the average high temperature for this time of the year. We're going to say 86 today, 85 tomorrow. That's a nice bit of a change for us. But then we're going to see temperatures start to climb once we get into the weekend and beginning of next week into the upper 80s. And yes, when you know we're going to go back into the low 90s. It is summer in southern Kentucky after all, so get ready for it. It looks like more of the same is ahead for us. A live look from Doppler Cam this morning. Some thicker clouds now than what we've seen in previous days, and high moisture content too. A very tropical atmosphere that's settling in over the area. We're at 72 degrees, south-southeast wind at 5, and 91% of our atmosphere is saturated in that heaviness, that mugginess, that moisture, the sticky air that's around us. That's going to stay with us today. Munfordville, you're at 72 as we check out your AAA Systems weather cam up in Hart County this morning. Russellville, you're mainly cloudy. Your temperature is at 73 in Logan County. Clouds cover Grayson County. Litchfield, you're at 70 degrees this morning. You got a pretty decent thunderstorm or two there yesterday. And Franklin, you're starting with a little bit of morning sun, but with those high clouds, you're at 72 degrees. Unchanged is the air quality, still high in the UV index today. Ozone and molds are in the moderate category. Grass and weeds are the pollens that we're looking at today. Lake Cumberland, that is our hometown forecast today, presented by the Kentucky Lottery. 83 today for Russell Springs, Jamestown, and then Albany at 85, Burkesville 84, same for Columbia. By the way, the Powerball jackpot for Wednesday night estimated to be at $70 million, and the next Mega Millions drawing estimated to be $25 million. Temperatures still muggy with all that moisture-laden air that's settled in over the region. 74, the current temperature reading at the Bowling Green Airport. Radar 12 hours ago littered with a lot of those pop-up showers and thunderstorms, but as we lost the daytime heating overnight, those things faded away. But now we're seeing a little boundary here to the east of us where we're seeing regeneration of those showers and thunderstorms across the Cumberland Plateau. But the more organized activity is back here with this cold front from Chicago down to west of Indianapolis, east of St. Louis, down to about Jonesboro, Arkansas, Memphis, Tennessee, all getting showers and thunderstorms this morning. And it's all ahead of that front that will be pushing into the region as we go through the day. And I think our best dynamics here will be into the afternoon as far as heavy rainfall. And yes, it could come down in bucketfuls in a short amount of time, kind of like what we saw yesterday. But it's not going to get everybody, I don't think. You're not going to get the rainfall, especially you farmers are not going to get the rainfall you desperately need out of this. But it will be a temporary fix, if nothing else. Tomorrow, things will clear out as high pressure takes over, at least for a time. But then here come more disturbances out of the plains that will set off more showers, which we could use some more rain before the end of the week. Showers and thunderstorms becoming likely today. High of 86. Some of the rainfall could be heavy. Occasional showers, storms tonight, 68. Tomorrow, we'll make it back to about 85 and becoming mostly sunny. Upper 80s for the end of the week into the weekend, with a daily chance that somebody somewhere could get a shower or a thunderstorm. And then we go back into the low 90s for the beginning of next week.